talented young women ever. I said if God, you gave me a second chance to do what it is that I love, I was going to hire and bring on other people to do what they loved, you know? And I went on this long journey to in LA, and a lot of people came, and I said I have to pick not only the best singers, but the most driven women that I could find. So, I'm gonna bring these two ladies to the front. Come forward, ladies. As I try not to bust my ass on this stool. My ass is way bigger, sir, than this stool. It is no room. My God. So, these young ladies, they travel with me everywhere I go.